Another very common question we get is, well, I have a will. Isn't that all I need? And I think there's a big misconception when it comes to wills. A lot of people believe that if they have a will, they're not going to need probate, when the actual opposite is true. A will has no authority until a probate court gives it authority. You do not have a personal representative or an executor until a probate court appoints one. If you're relying on a will, that actually is going to require engaging the probate process, all of which is very expensive, very time consuming. I can go to a whole 30-minute dissertation on the aspects of probate and why you want to avoid it. But safe to say, for purpose of this conversation, the goal of estate planning is, one, to protect you, but two, do it in a way that no one's ever going to have to set foot in the probate court. A will is an important document, but when used in conjunction with a trust, it is incredibly effective. A will direct assets the way you want to be distributed, but it requires the probate process to do so. A comprehensive estate plan, though, that includes a trust, it's going to include powers of attorneys to protect you for the rest of your life, including healthcare and financial. And then there are other tools that work together to protect you for the rest of your life and your family, your assets, your savings when you pass away, and all of which avoids probate. The right plan, of course, depends upon your goals, your family, your particular circumstances, which is why we have meetings with our clients to figure out what those are. There is no one-size-fits-all solution, and DIY programs are very dangerous. I've yet to review one that didn't require significant revisions and changes. They just can't do what you want. You need a custom plan for your specific circumstances. If you're relying on a will that you put in place a long time ago, or one that you're not sure if it even fully does what you want, give us a call. We're happy to review people's existing plans to figure out whether they are in fact in good shape or whether they need additional documents. We just want to make sure you know that it is doing what you want it to do, with whom you want to do it. All it takes is a phone call. It's as simple as a conversation. Estate planning is not complicated. It is, however, technical. You do need to dot the I's and cross the T's. Give us a call today and we'll help you do it.